Lucy.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
We are learning to draw the ocean waves today. It's not easy to draw waves well,
That's true.
So today we will find an easy way.
Let's begin, guys.
Are you ready?
We are preparing pencil and eraser, but this time we're not going to use Sharpie.
Yeah. The layers we divided into 3 layers. The first draw and larger arcs at the bottom, like here. Okay. Slow down. And flatter, right? It's not very arc. Flatter. Here's a slow down. It's like a little bit like this. See? Okay. And then now we draw like upside down S from this way. Look. I'll put it flat. Okay. Tiny bit. And connecting the drawing swirl shapes inside, like here. So now follow the shape, follow this shape, okay, of this line, and draw another arc line. Connect from here until here. So you could see here's a pointing and here's a bigger, right? Larger. Yeah.
Like that?
When you draw, you better draw smoother, because this looks like it's not very smooth, right? You have to keep the line smooth. And now the inside of this part, between this part and this part, we use a little arc, like a half circle, to connect it. So one smaller and one is bigger. Another one smaller to connect like that.
Like this?
Yeah. Okay. Then now we do another part, the second layer. So the second layer we begin from here, okay? So we draw the like upside down S like here, upside down S, the small one like this, okay? Now you should when you draw you better draw like connect this part, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, here you draw lower and connect this part. Yes, that's right.
And smooth.
Yes, try to smooth. And now we draw this part on the top. Here's put the small, very small, like upside down 3, right? So upside down 3. And then here, yeah, you remember always keep the line very smooth. Like here, I'm gonna follow this shape until here, okay? Just a little bit, yeah. Here a little bit up. And this size, I'm gonna draw the swirl here from here. See, like half circle around it. And then around this part until here. And then I'm use another arc, connect it like here. Yeah, remember always try to smooth, right? Yeah, perfect. And now we draw, okay, then here, we draw a little outline to the up. Okay. And then here, I'm gonna draw the arc bigger, put it flat. And then I use another small one, arc, connect, and then here it's opposite way until here. Yeah, remember always try to smooth, huh?
Like that?
Yes, very nice. And here, because this arcs are like this, so we should connect it. Try to natural a little bit. So draw like arc like here. Yeah, you could clean up a little bit that part. Yes. And then we draw another one from here. The smaller tiny bit. Okay, and here's. And this part, I'm gonna do a flag, a little bit arc, like connect here, okay? Okay, actually here is like 2 layer, 1 layer this part, and here's a 2 layer, okay? So now I'm gonna follow the shapes and put some lines on, and from here, one and 2, okay, and here 3. You could slow down, huh? You could see the similar size, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, similar. Okay, and then this part, also the same, they follow the same direction, like here. Okay, you could put one more left here. Okay, the second layer, so the same direction, 1, 2, 3, and here I could add another one, 4. Yeah, nice.
1,
2,
2, 3, 4.
Okay. So now we put the last one. We drawing the last layer on the top. So this shapes is bigger, okay? So I'm gonna draw from here, the same thing. Something this way. It's like a upside down S, okay? But the S is pretty up until here, okay?
It's more like a flipped C.
So I'm gonna do like right. If you're not sure you draw well, you could slow down. Now we use a pencil, so it's good. If you do some mistake, huh? And here it's pretty up. Remember when you connected the line, try to be smooth.
I did this smooth.
Yeah, smoother. Yep. And like here, you don't connect this part, okay? I'm not done with that. Yeah. And I'm gonna draw the arc on the top from here, okay? Here, this lies until here. So the arc, I gonna draw from here, okay? The big one. So this arc connect here. So under this part. Yeah, this part you have to over this line over and here, okay? And this wake, it's the big one on the top. So now we connect this part. We draw arc here, the bigger from here until here, like this, okay? Try to do your best smoother in this one, like this. You could here's a clean up a little bit. It's fine. Okay. So until here, we're gonna draw a little bit like here. So here's the smaller. I mean, like half circle. Okay. Okay. So this part, I'm gonna draw the swirl. Okay. Swirl. Like that. And then use the outline from here and follow this shape to connect and this part. Yeah, wonderful. Yeah, you could try to clean up this part, okay?
Okay.
So the last part, we draw some outlines, follow the shape right from here until connect here, okay? The same thing, so slow down. Here's the one. Okay. 2. Okay. 3. Okay. I'll put another part. Okay.
Let me do
pretty good.
There.
Yes, that's right. So the last part, we draw some splashing water droplets. And because this waves it from here, right? So when we draw the droplets, it's like going down right from here, right? Right?
Yeah.
Dropping down. So draw.
They didn't drop down yet, but they're about to.
Yeah. So this like a water drop. Also, I'm gonna put a little bit circle. The small circle is also a water drop. Okay, and here put some. Looks much better, right? Okay.
Let's begin.
Let's starting to coloring now.
Yep.
We preparing 3 color, right? One is lighter, and this one's middle. This is deeper a little bit. Okay, let's begin. Well, we're done.
Yeah, guys, this is the first time I've ever drawn the wave.
You're doing good job.
Thank you.
That looks so amazing. I like the shape, it looks so smooth, right? Thank you guys for watching.
Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what we should draw next. Bye, guys. See you next time.
Bye bye.